With Salesforce Sales and Service Cloud, you can ensure your sales and service teams have the right information at the right time, wherever they are. Better cross-team connections lead to better customer experiences, greater productivity and revenue, and help reduce customer attrition. Sales teams can see how customers and accounts are interacting with the service team, review cases, and leverage service knowledge to improve win rates. Service teams can equally understand customers and accounts faster and even create cross-sell and upsell opportunities to send to sales, all while improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. And both teams can collaborate in a centralized location, leverage shared tools, and improve handoffs with cross-team automation, putting the customer at the center of every interaction. Discover firsthand how to get closer to your customers by aligning sales and service. Blaze your trail with Salesforce.